Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to screen share in Pencil Spaces. So in order to be able to screen share, I need to start or join a call, so that's what I'm going to do first. So at the top right-hand corner of my screen, I'm going to click Start Call because I'm a host. So once I'm on the call, I can share my screen by going to the bottom of my participant box and clicking Share Screen. I can either share my entire screen, I can share a window, or I can share a Chrome tab. So I'm going to find the screen I want to share, click on it, and then select Share Screen. You will automatically be taken to the screen you are sharing, and an icon will come up telling you that you can either stop sharing your screen, or you can click on View My tab in pencilspaces.com, and you'll be taken back to your space. When you are in the Pencil Spaces whiteboard, your screen will appear as one of the participant boxes. If you would like to expand your screen, you can do this by going to Gallery mode and clicking the Expand View button on the bottom left corner of your participant box. Now that we are in Gallery mode, we can further expand our screen by hovering over our screen share and selecting Pin. Now you will be able to see all your participants at the bottom of your screen share, and you will be able to see your screen at the top. If you want to expand your screen further, hover over your screen share and select the full screen icon. Now your screen will take up the entire Spaces page, allowing you to get a better view on what you're screen sharing. If I want to stop sharing my screen in Gallery mode, I would go to the bottom bar of my page, hover over the screen share button, and select Stop Sharing Screen. If I wanted to stop sharing my screen in whiteboard mode, I would go to the bottom of my participant box, click Stop Screen Sharing, and I will no longer be sharing my screen. Both the host and the participant have the ability to screen share. However, as the host, I can disable the participant's ability to screen share. So to do this, I'm going to click on the participants button at the top right corner of my screen. I will select permissions, find screen share and unselect it, update changes, and now participants will not be able to screen share. If I would like to give them back the permission to screen share, same process applies. I will find screen share, select it, update changes, and now participants will be able to screen share. Another cool thing to look at is that multiple participants can share their screen at the same time. You can expand the screen of the one you want to view just to make it bigger for less distractions. You can pin the screen you want to view and you will still be able to see the screen of the other participant sharing. And this will allow you to view multiple screens at once for a better viewing experience. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to click the Help button at the top right corner of your screen.